See, that's like after I put these new load shocks in, that's probably what it'll look like.
Oh, that's gonna look sick.
I'm not sure that that's actually true.
Heck yeah, it needs to be. You gotta have this thing raked. So the word of the weekend is raked. I don't know why. I feel like I've said it like 8 times.
The rear end this low, aka rake. It's not fitting properly.
Oh really?
But guess what?
What?
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I was kind of looking at your drive shaft angle here.
Oh, that may be the vibration I'm doing.
How do you say it? Raked?
Raked!
Oh, well, you do have it. It is up in the air, so when you tip back down, when you set it back on the ground, it might level out.
These helper shocks are so stiff, and I've got the spring helper deals.
Oh, shit.
So, it's probably going to stay about where it's at. It's only going to compress under extreme circumstance.
Oh.
I'll be able to haul wood in this bitch now.
Haul that welder?
Yeah. Hey!
What's up?
That works.
Oh, did you get it in there?
Sort of.
A little bit. Hi.
Getting that ass kicked?
This thing is.
Dude, your diff is leaking like a motherfucker.
Mm-hmm. Why do you think I want to replace it? Whole thing.
The 10 bolt?
Oh, yep. There we go.
Nice.
Oh no.
You gonna drop it down now?
Now I've still got to tighten these two shits up here.
Slacker.
Well, it's kind of hard to do when all you've got is a 10mm line wrench and a regular.
Hey, but this is good video. This is good drama. Like not having the tools you need. Like, you know, all those car shows where they have all the tools they need. They actually have people that come in and like do the work for them, and they just come out and talk.
Gas monkey.
Yeah, gas monkey.
Pretty much.
Fuck yeah.
Like, no, this is real shit. We ain't got tools to do shit here.
No.
We're trying to build hot rods, and all we have is the wrong tools.
We ain't building show cars. We're building fast cars.
So what's with this freaking hose clamp get up here holding your muffler up, your tailpipe up?
I asked my dad what I should do, and he said hose clamp, and then he put 2 hose clamps on while I was shitting.
Sounds like Terry.
I went inside to shit, and he like literally, I came out, and Dad was like, I fixed it. I was like, oh, okay, what'd you do? He said hose clamps. I was like, I never looked at it. I just went, oh, okay.
Like
They both come loose.
Incident.
Dude, this light is the shit. I mean, I'm sure it's blinding the crap out of you guys, but
To stare into it, I have no clue what I'm looking at now because it's all white. But, you know.
Stage lights.
So did you ever replace that hub?
Yeah, I'm replacing the knuckle and all. I've got ball joints, tie rod ends. Hey, go up there and look at that adjustment sleeve and see if you think I could reuse it or if I should buy a new one. Please.
As cheap as they are. I think he's looking at the one of the... Are you looking at the one on the car that's like already here?
Yeah.
I'd replace them.
Well, they're not that expensive anyway.
Yeah.
I don't really understand what it does.
It, because the tie rods, there's the inner and the outer, and they both have threads on them. And
So
you
you
thread
set
it in,
the
you set the
toe.
toe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they're kind of important. Well, I say kind of. Anthony,
They're
scale of
very
1 to 10.
important.
Okay, I was going to say scale of 1 to 10. How important are those?
If you take them off,
You're fucked.
Like both tires can go the opposite ways, and it'll make your car look cross-eyed.
Now, if autocross cars have them towed in, I don't know in what occasion you would tow them out, but I also don't know in what occasion you would camber a car for actual practical use.
Cambering supposedly
Helps
supposed
corners.
to help with steering.
Well, it would make sense if you hadn't had so much suspension travel that when you try to turn one way, your suspension compressed on that side and your tire would have more contact with pavement.
Yeah.
But that isn't why racers do it.
Yeah.
They just do it to tuck their wheels like tighter up in the fender wells and get their car lower.
Partially.
Yeah. I don't know,
Which, hell, if you look at mini truckers and like old like 40s, 50s hot rodders, like the custom guys, the lowriders, they did that shit with airbags.
Well, that's just because their tires, like, they just didn't replace their lower, what do you call that?
Control arms?
I guess that
tie rods?
whatever that up here in the front, whatever you got your shocks bolted to, is that the control arm?
Yeah.
I don't know. I know engines. I don't know suspension.
Me neither.
But like that's just they didn't put a shorter, lower control arm.
That makes sense. Watch us all be wrong.
Probably somebody's gonna correct us if this makes it into the video.
Internet mechanic.
None of the facts or attempts of facts portrayed in this video are neither confirmed nor denied.
We're gonna need a fact checker. We'll have them little text bubbles that are like, actually, we found out later.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just be full of those. Is that a Millidon pan?
I guess.
It's been dented.
Yeah.
You've hit it.
I went through, have you ever been to the Hampton McDonald's?
Yeah.
You know the, I would say pothole, crater over there?
Yeah.
Damn. I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah,
Shit, Luke.
that happened recently. Luckily, it didn't pierce it.
Yeah.
Dude, it's pretty lucky because you hit it like right on the corner.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess that's the strongest part. If you would hit that in the middle as hard as it was to dent that on a corner,
Yeah.
you would have busted a hole in it. Like a quarter inch further towards the front would have destroyed that pan.
Yep.
That's freaking luck.
Hey, bud, you need you a skid plate.
Yeah.
You need a
Nah.
timing chain or a inspection cover for your flywheel.
I've got the original plastic one, but I kind of want to get a stamped aluminum one.
I had one.
Damn it. What happened to it?
It may still be here. I have to go dig through my box of tricks in the back.
Yes, please.
Okay, that was pretty impressive.
That car's come a long way.
It is still hazy out in that field.
Yeah.
It's still smoking out the cab. I love how the interior is smoky. That was awesome, dude.
Smoking.
Huh? The tires.
I thought it wasn't the tire.
Yeah, dude. When it like, okay, what do you think? What was?
Well, I thought the transmission caught on fire.
No,
that was your one move field.
dude, wait till you see this video, man. It was great.
Was it
That was
glorious?
pretty impressive.
You say that straight?
I thought, I saw shit leaking out of the bottom of it. It must just be the jug of water I just threw in the trunk.
Oh, it could
But,
be. Well, there's nothing on the road.
But I could have swore I saw a trail of shit, and I was like, oh well, just cooked the transmission again.
No, dude, it was glorious. Look at that,
Jesus Christ,
dude. You blew it off all the way up the hill.
I didn't think it'd do that much. I'm sorry, Bob.
Dude, it's fine. I don't care.
I just ruined your neighborhood.
Nah, I've already done that by moving in here.
Did the left one? That's from your
That's
truck.
mine, yeah.
Okay, I was like, damn. Why was one straight and the other one? If I got a
Yeah, because
problem,
I was heading towards the fence, so I had to get out of it.
damn.
That was nice.
I wonder what it'll do with a posi.
Same thing, probably.
Probably go towards the fence.
Yeah, it's kind of downhill towards the fence. That's why my truck went that way.
That's not much of a fence.
No, but it would still hurt to hit.
It would suck to hit it. It's barbed wire, it'll scratch your paint job. It'll peel the stickers off.
Thereof.
It'll peel the stickers off.
I honestly didn't think it'd do it. I thought I'd hit the gas and it'd go. Ugh.
You got that carb tuned right.
When the secondaries open up.
Well, yeah.
I wonder if I could have kept going past the stop sign.
The way you were peeling, yeah, probably.
How far does it go past the top of the hill? I haven't been up that far. Does it keep going past it?
I don't know. We should probably check. I just got a text. That's probably the cops.
No. Yeah, you know, you do so much dumb
FBI.
shit the cops have like you on speed dial.
Well, I'm related to a judge.
The FBI, dude, do that again.
We saw you on satellite. Do it again.
We saw you through pigeon cam.
I seriously thought the car was on fire. I was like, well, better turn around up here.
Here we go, the darker again.
Dude, you went all the way. Oh man.
I finally let out of it, like right here, because the smoke was just overwhelming the cabin, and I was like, oh my god, it's on fire.
Just, I can't see.
Dude, that's like every bit of 100 yards, 125 yards probably. Like it's still going. Like, dude, you didn't let up until you were like in their driveway.
There's still a little bit. I can't see.
Like right here, it looks like it stopped. Dude, from here all the way back to the
Faded
mailbox.
pretty bad right here.
Yeah, maybe back here then.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see like right where you let off, but it keeps spinning, kept spinning all the way to here.
I would say it ends right here, because I can definitely tell that this is lighter and that is lighter. But really, if I'm calling it a burnout, it ended right here.
So that's like what, 65 yards?
I don't know.
50 yards?
I'm fat, so I wouldn't want to run that, but...
Dude, that's awesome, dude. So you know, like every time my neighbor over here comes home, we're gonna have to look at that. It's gonna be awesome. Which I don't hate him, I like him, but it's those ones down there.
Those are really nice.
It's sticky.
Is it sticky?
Unless it's just something I stepped in. Yeah, that's awesome.
Hell yeah.
There's a little sticky.
I'm glad we got that on film. Sorry we didn't get the cold start on film.
That's all right. It was totally worth it.
I'm so excited about this.
Dude, you haven't stopped smiling. I don't think I have either.
My face hurts, but I can't quit. Maybe if I took a bunch of shit out of the trunk and we welded the diff, might get a little bit better action out of
Take
it.
the shit out of the trunk.
Dude, that's awesome.
Well, see, I think I would have kept burning it past the stop sign and around the corner, but it got so much shit in the car. And I lost about 40 pounds.
Spun out at the corner. You just turned.
I had some good wheel spin action going.
That one tire is like full of gravel. Still smell it.
At least there's still rubber left. Yeah.
Did it rub it all?
No.
Hell
That's
yeah.
big.
Hopefully it's
And I hit
great.
that. I hit a driveway up there that was like this, doing like 25, and I just slammed the brakes on, and I was like, I gotta get back there. I'm on fire.
Maybe you're tired.
Yeah, I still one of them Australian burnouts. Lots of
Dude,
tires
look at
on
that
fire.
posi. Hey, you wanna go get a dip?
So, any last opinions?
Needs
Words?
posi. Like that black mark's lonely. We need to get it a friend.
I like that.
Well, it's literally like the third wheel, because there's 2 black marks from that thing,
Yeah.
and
You still have to
not
hold
one
it down
from
at
mine.
first.
Yeah.
You need to fix that.
I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a ratchet shifter,
Okay.
and I'm also gonna have the trans rebuilt, so it'll actually lay down better burnouts and actually
You
not slip in
need
second
a
gear.
better trans anyway.
Mm-hmm.
The turbo 350 will handle it.
Yeah. After I get it built.
After you do the throttle body.
I still
change
taste
and everything.
burnout.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you want something that you know will never break, turbo pounder.
That's what I'd go with, honestly.
T56
Or that.
and a damn good clutch.
Yeah, you
That's
don't want
pretty
to
much
turn
what
on
it's
the
gonna
clutch.
take. But yeah, I think a 6-speed will definitely be the way to go, because I think it's such poor gas mileage in the gear that I want to put in the back of it. I'll need the double overdrive and maybe a gear
Yeah.
benders after that. But I think that's definitely an improvement on our previous adventures.
For
with
sure.
The
Oh, yeah.
Chevelle. Because I've never really, other than the 100-foot black mark that I left in the O'Reilly's parking lot with a shittily tuned.
Wasn't quite 100 foot. It
were you
wasn't
there
as
for
good
the one?
as that one.
It was not as good as that one, but
The one you seen was like where you had after let off. That's about what the
It's
one
your-
at O'Reilly's
it was a lighter
looked
shade.
like a light gray.
So did it hop at all?
No, dude, it was smooth.
No,
We'll
it
have to
was.
review the footage.
It was
Yeah,
just
you
go.
You did turn
go.
the mic on, right?
Yes, I looked right after it.
Good.
Hang on, we'll look at it.
It was just rolling white smoke.
Awesome.
Like if there was a vehicle behind you, you probably wouldn't have seen it.